In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do transverse toe taps, and at the same time as that, we're also going to be doing overhead shoulder flexion. So firstly, this is a fantastic exercise for those looking to improve their hip mobility, as well as those looking to improve their strength in the transverse plane. This would be a good exercise for those that are higher up to do as a warm-up. So those that are very happy with transverse exercises, this is a nice one just to put in as almost like a dynamic warm-up. So what I want you to do is I want you to start off with your feet at hip width apart. So your feet are like train tracks, both pointing forwards, and you're going to bring whatever leg it is into a 45-degree angle, one way or the other. And at the same time, you're then going to pop your hands up in the air. So let me show you on both directions. So for me to get my right leg to a 45-degree angle will look like this. At the same time as doing that, what I'm going to do is overhead and back down, overhead and back down. Once I've done my desired amount of sets and repetitions on that side, I can do exactly the same. So let's repeat those drills. Feet like train tracks pointing forwards. I'm going to take my left leg, popping it to a 45-degree angle. And at the same time as I do that, I'm going to bring my hands up and back down as I come in. That is how to do transverse toe taps whilst also doing overhead shoulder flexion.